Our van is currently sitting in our parking lot of our condo. We don't leave it there, we store it elsewhere when we're not traveling. But today's project will be Wade working on the vent for the bathroom. The piece has come in from Amazon. He's got the ladder out in his toolkit, and he's going to work on replacing the vent before we head out on our next adventure. What we're noticing is that the water is leaking in that vent, and the vent no longer turns on, or the fan for the vent doesn't spin. So anyway, obviously something electrical, something with the sealant, and so now Wade will be doing it. There he is, getting ready to work on that repair. Yeah, I'm hoping it's going to go well. It's a bit of a warmer day than we thought, and I'm hoping that everything that he has learned from YouTube will actually make it go as smooth as possible. It looks like he's putting some caulking down, so we're hoping the install is going well. But he is fighting a bit of a time challenge here, because as I look out to the west, the sky is getting very dark blue, and I'm guessing that we're gonna have some rain. So let's hope that he's able to get this job done.
8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock and we are heading west. That is so exciting, and off to see friends, to see the mountains, just to get another view of our world.
Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine, and we are on the off-ramp.
Today we are heading out west in our Sprinter van, looking for a camping trip.
And you know, we're looking forward to seeing some family and friends, but also to be able to see the mountains again.
So join us as we travel and camp our way across Western Canada to Lake Country, British Columbia. That's it. We're leaving Manitoba. That's the entrance to the campground, and alongside the campground is this big open field and hilly area. And Wade is out there taking some photos of those hills and fences, and he's in his happy place. This is our first stop in our adventure west, and we are sitting in a campground just outside of Swift Current. This is Kilton Hill Campground with completely full hookup at about $38 a night, but it does have this one shower, one washroom house, and they're very clean and very modern, and a good setup for people who don't want to take care of their showering in their RV.
going to take a break because they said we should.
I think it's only right that we stop at the little rest stops that indicate each province that we're driving through. So here we are at the Alberta border.
2 days in Saskatchewan, one overnight at one overnight in Swift Current, and then a quick, short little day visit to Grasslands National Park. She said we should go this way, so we will.
Take the next left.
Making a left turn off of the number one highway to take the road to Lethbridge. And it looks like crossing this highway could be a bit of a picnic. Oh crap, you took this guy's place.
Continue for 18 kilometers.
He was cruising.
Oh, hon, not that motorcycle. Okay.
After the cemetery.
This is a nuts corner to try to cross.
No problem.
I didn't like it.
Oh, here.
And this is the more relaxing, quiet highway we're going to take now to Lethbridge.
And we are on the off-ramp. Like, really, we're on the off-ramp.
We are on the off-ramp. We are on the off-ramp, and we are on the off-ramp.
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us.
Well, here we are in beautiful and sunny Lethbridge, Alberta. This is our campsite here. It's actually quite a lovely campground. They water it quite often. The grass is beautiful and green. Sites are small. And this is our twin. From another mother, I guess. It's the Pleasure Way. And his van is a year or 2 years older than ours yet. So very similar styles. So we're staying at Bridgeview Camp. Couldn't figure out why they named it Bridgeview until we arrived yesterday. And I saw this trestle bridge in the distance. And apparently this trestle bridge is the longest and highest one in the world. I'm not sure, I'll have to check that out, but that's what we were told last night. So I'm going to see if I can find a view of it somewhere. It just keeps on going and going and going. Thanks for joining us on our journey to the west, this time through Saskatchewan and Alberta.
And if there's one thing we've learned is that when you go off the Trans-Canada Highway, you get to actually see a lot more of what Canada has to offer.
Yeah, next week, join us as we travel through Banff National Park and a little bit beyond.
And as we've been doing this, we remember to hold our plans loosely.